How to improve organic chemistry. Welcome to this channel. We have a small announcement before the video. A video on physical chemistry was about to come this day, but it's delayed and it will arrive on the next Friday. First tip, understand reaction mechanisms. Mechanisms are syntax of organic chemistry. Now look at this code. It is a Java code. How can you understand the code if you don't know the syntax? On the other hand, the same way, how will you understand this without the understandings of mechanism? Second tip, read inorganic chemistry properly. Many concepts of the organic chemistry are affected by inorganic chemistry. Suppose if oxygen didn't have a tendency to form ionic bonds more than carbon, the reaction could not complete itself. Similarly, hydrazines react with aldehydes to give hydrazones. Now, if you see conceptually, now the weakness of nitrogen-nitrogen single bonds play a great role in the reaction. Such bonds are very weak due to the electron-electron repulsion force and high electronegativity. Now, if you don't know the properties and behaviors of the elements, it will be difficult to understand some reactions. So, it is important to study the nature of the elements. Third tip, start with the basics. One thing many of us do wrong while getting started with chemistry, especially organic chemistry. They somehow do the basic part and rush into the advanced. Now, I have seen some students who are trying to learn organometallic chemistry but don't know the valency of carbon. Please don't do that. How will you understand this if you don't know the basic? Now, please don't be in a hurry to get into advanced. Once your basic is clear, you can do the advanced well. Also, some students are afraid of organic chemistry and find it very hard. To them, I would say organic chemistry takes time. Please read the basics and please read the theories. After that, you can progress easily. The progression would be very precise, even if it's not that fast. Now, some students try to do this very fast because they plan of revising very quick. First of all, it's not planning, it's procrastination. Now, to them, I would say if you didn't try to understand it properly in the first time, your revision will be never that much productive. Revision should be done once the chapter is completely finished. Besides, there are chances that you will procrastinate the next time or in the revisions also. Please revise once you have learned the concepts in the start properly. And please try to write and understand mechanisms. It will be helpful. One thing should be helpful. You should first start with functional groups and then IUPAC nomenclature and then GOC and then isomerism and then the reactions and mechanisms finally. And also, if you cannot understand a reaction mechanism or nomenclature, you should try a few more times, and again, if it's not helping, you should take online or offline help. But self-study should be a priority. Fourth tip, study with patience and point out things. This before, it takes time to learn organic chemistry. It takes patience to study chemistry. We know that the slow and steady wins the race. To conceptualize many things in chemistry, you can focus on similarities and differences in many theorems and procedures. In reactions, this is an example here. It will help you to strengthen your skills. Fifth or final tip, read in a sequence. The chapters of chemistry are correlated. In case of organic chemistry, one is dependent on another. So I recommend you to read in this sequence. You can pause the video and read it. That's chemistry for today. We will come back with more chemistry videos later.